In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to update HP laptop in Windows 11 and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is if you wanted to update it, first you have to go over here in the search and we need to type your first settings and you have to click in the settings here. Once you get into the settings, what you need to do is we have to follow few steps which are minor. Just follow these instructions. Once you get into this, we have to go to the network and internet first and make sure the Wi-Fi is turned on, and also make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi because a strong Wi-Fi is needed to update your Windows to the latest version. Now go to the Windows update. Now from here, you need to just go to the check for update. So if you're having any kind of an update, just wait for this. Right now this is being checking. After a couple of seconds, if you have any kind of pending updates, they'll be possible here to show you guys where you can download and install it. So we just need to wait for this to get completely done. Now from here, we don't have any kind of updates right now rolling out, or you can just go to, from here you can go to the advanced option. From here go to the optional updates, and from here if you click on this, right now we have two driver update, so you can just select these two and you can go for download and install. Similarly, apart from the driver update, you'll be having also window updates where you can select the respective version and go for download and install and you can update it. So this is how we can do this, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.